Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change theme interface color in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to change the theme interface color. Go to the File menu, then go to the option, and we can see here open a window option Publishers. Now we want to change the theme. Select the office theme color. You can see here many colors, dark gray, white, or use the system settings. Firstly, we select the dark gray option, then click OK, and we can see we change the interface. Go back again this option and change another format. Now I select the white, then click OK, and we can see we make the all option white. Then again go back this option and change this again. Now I select the use system setting, then click OK. Now we can see we change theme interface color very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.